3, go.
Yes, hello everyone.
Sige, pakilala ka
I
muna.
am Emma Mary Tiglao, Miss Grand Philippines.
Wow.
Iba.
Bongga.
Ibang atake. Marami na kamiss ng intro mo during the coronation.
Yes. So, siguro isa yun sa aabangan sa Miss Grand International and we're doing a different one naman ngayon. So, tinitimpla pa natin yan kung ano yan. Alam mo, natutuwa ako kasi last night, when I was in Tubod, Iligan City, nag-i-intro ako, tas sumusunod na yung audience. Kaya thank you so much. Kasi doon pa lang alam mong nagsusupport sila sa Miss Grand.
Kumbaga sa kanta ng LSS sila sa introduction mo.
Kayo ba na LSS?
Of course!
Oo, may grand.
Oo nga, iba na siya.
Hindi
Oo
niya dapat
nga.
ilalabas yun, di ba?
Philippines, oo.
Kasi pasabog niya yung
Pasabog.
Correct. Okay, so, ayun lang. What excites you about this partnership between Miss, or you, Queen Emma Tiglao, Miss Grand Philippines 2025, and Marinova?
I am excited to share to you all the products and what I've heard. Maybe in a few months after this, they will release new product, additional product for Marinova. That's why I'm really excited. You know what? Who asked a while ago kung kung magdadala ako sa Miss Grand? Yeah, I will bring this Marinova. Ang gandang idea nun. Thank you so much for that wonderful idea. So I will bring this to Thailand to share it with my grand sisters.
Yes, that will serve as a result na yung Marinova is okay na product because ikaw yung
Yes.
mag-share sa kanila.
All right. So, Emma, let's talk about your MGIPH journey. So, kumusta naman?
Really amazing because it was a grand comeback for me after 6 years not doing pageantry and focusing on TV hosting. That's why sobrang happy. I was so happy and so grateful. I was able to show you another version of Emma in this Miss Grand Philippines stage and another version of Emma in the coming Miss Grand International stage.
Talking about social media, so did you really had a time during your MGIPH journey to focus
To focus on my
social media?
I really do because you know what, we need that. We need that to communicate with other fans, especially the international fans. So I'm putting time to answer some comments or messages in my social media. We need that actually. It's a way of communication.
So, how do you handle criticisms in social media?
I don't handle them.
Yes, dead ma.
Which is true. I've said it on my Net25's interview. I don't handle them. I listen to the people that I trust and I believe. And as long as you know yourself, you know what you're doing, you know your story, then you have this strong core. I am fighting not just for myself, but for all of you. So I hope that we need to be careful with the words that we're throwing out there. And I hope that it can inspire instead of it will hurt other people. After all, we're all Filipinos and we're carrying the Philippine flag.
So, in every competition, like the beauty pageants, there is a mantra that manifests. So, may we know what was your mantra during your MGIPH journey?
Actually, I was bringing the mantra even last Binibini, last pageant that I joined. It's choose people who choose you. Because in that mantra, di ba, you know kung kanino ka makikinig. So I hope that you will also do that. Choose people who choose you.
Ma'am, question po. Si Miss Grand International, reigning Miss Grand International si Gio Piazza, and another international beauty queen, Filipino beauty queen, have given dried mangoes as gifts. At nanalo sila. So bukod sa Marinova, dried mango oliva for Miss Grand International.
Well, I'm thinking of another gift aside from food from the Philippines. Siguro I'll bring some of the food from the Philippines like pastries. Of course, there a lot of
Correct.
pastries in Pampanga, but I cannot bring cheese bread naman, which is kilala
sarap
sa
no,
Pampanga,
promise.
di ba?
Sisig.
So I'm thinking about something personalized together with my mom. So that's what I'm
homemade.
thinking about.
Emma,
Yeah,
what
it's
changed
homemade
after
and my mom's, made by my mom's hands.
Emma, what changed after the coronation?
What changed? Schedule. Scheduling. So a lot of schedules right now. I think it's just the same. Actually, naisip ko nga the other day, nag-sink in na ba sa akin that I won Miss Grand Philippines because it feels like I'm still preparing, training. So parang same lang lahat. But this one, the difference is grander stage na.
Yeah.
So, ganun ko siya tinitingnan. So,
What,
yun lang
what was
naman
the
yung
positive,
pagbabago.
the most positive comments that you got after winning the pageant?
It was really a grand comeback and natuwa sila na nakita nila yung another Emma because I think the last Emma that they saw is the demure one
Yes.
na hindi masyadong nagpapasabog but this one is complete na. I don't know, maybe because of my experience also, that's why eto na siya, the evolved version of Emma.
How does it feel na ikaw lang ang National Beauty Queen na may dalawang corona? Nasuot mo na ba yung pangalawa? Sa shoot pa lang.
Saan po ito? Yung eto?
MG, dalawa. Meron ka pang bagong isusuot daw.
Hindi ko pa nasuot.
Wala
Pero
kang
I
dalawang
think
corona mo.
Pero I think this one, kay CJ talaga siya. Kaya ako napansin nyo, bago niya ipasa sa akin, kinis muna niya yung crown. Kasi matagal na nasa kanya yung crown na to.
During the crowning moment.
I'm excited to see the new crown. And medyo may pakapyaw na nakita ko na siya. Ang ganda rin. Paganda ng paganda. Like the production.
Paganda naman kasi Miss Grand Philippines.
Bumawi.
Oh, di ba?
Bumawi.
Another B!
Bawi! Your message to Filipino pageant fans as you go on to the grand international stage.
You know what? I am just thankful and blessed that I am carrying the Philippines kasi ibang klase magmahal ang Filipino fans. What I just want to say is that let's just support everyone. The first queen that will compete is Anita Rose Gomez. She will compete for Miss Asia Pacific. So I hope we will support every queen that will compete internationally. Lagi naman namin sinasabi, this is not our fight. This is not just individual fight. This is the whole Philippines fight, 'di ba? So, wag na yung tayo yung mag-away-away. Let's show the other international fans na nagkakaisa tayo. 'Di ba? Meron tayong tinatawag na bayanihan. Bakit di natin gamitin dito?
Another B?
Another
Another day.
So, yun lang naman. Let's be kind. 'Di ba? Wala namang masama.
All right. Emma, since this is your second international competition, so do you feel pressure about carrying
course.
another?
Of course, I feel pressured. Lalo na nung nalaman ko na, back-to-back pala lahat ng
Yes.
nasasalihan
Yes.
ko.
Correct. Lahat
The
ng
first
crowns.
one was
Intercontinental.
Intercontinental with Karen Galman, and this one naman is with CJ Opiaza. Pero I'm praying. That's why we're preparing then to have this back-to-back victory, no? Kaya, andun yung pressure, pero if you will let that pressure be put in you negatively, hindi mo magagawa yung gusto mong gawin. And I'm happy na I'm surrounded with good people, good environment, that they're really supportive and talagang tinutulungan ako with everything that I need for this international competition.
After the crowning moment, si Sir Nawat ba, have you talked to him or nakipag-chat sa'yo?
Actually, ito ang secret. Nagre-repost siya ng mga story. So, nagpa-thank you ako. Sabi ko, thank you, Mr. Nawat. Nagulat ako pagising ko, naka-heart yung thank you, Mr. Nawat. So, para may konting, kilig.
Yeah,
Saka
Papa Nawat.
nag-share siya ng mga...
Si Papa Nawat. Para kasi gusto ko muna ma-meet siya, baka akala niya, we need to be formal first. So, yun. We know naman na it's Papa Nawat, pero para lang sa business side, so I messaged him na, thank you, Mr. Nawat. So, hinort niya yun.
Baka namin
Kilig.
sa arrival dinner.
Yeah, sa arrival dinner.
Pero I think,
Supportahan natin.
Yes,
Oo.
that's support.
We need
You can ask
your
support now.
support. Para naman, I think that's top 10, no?
Yeah, top 10.
for the dinner with Mr. Nawat. So, I need your support, guys. It's a voting system, so I hope that I can rely on you Filipino fans. magkaisa po tayo with this one because with that dinner, we can show kung ano pang meron ang Pilipinas.
Ayun. Thank you so much,
Thank
Emma.
you.
Emma, anong napag-usapan niyo ni CJ? You mentioned konting... You had
Chikahan.
Koning chikan. Ang sinabi lang niya sa akin naman, ate, kailangan laging pasabog, ganyan. Parang wala kang pipiliin na activities na yung know when to pick, walang ganon sa Miss Grand. Lahat talaga dapat nagpipick ka and you need to be friendly. Parang yun talaga yung hinahanap, which is true, another B that they add, diba? Behavior. So yun din talaga yung hinahanap nila. So yun lang naman yung napag-usapan namin ni CJ. Actually, mag-schedule pa kami for a date because I really want, and I'm really praying for this. Kaya ginagawan ko talaga ng paraan. Kaya thankful din ako sa mga advice din ng mga tao na gusto rin nilang makuha yung back-to-back.
Emma, you're also Rao Uson model. Are you wearing Rao?
Let's see. Let's see because later we'll be having a meeting for the outfits that I will wear for the international competition. So kailangan talaga, it's a teamwork. Brainstorming ang kailangan. So
How about for your national costume, Emma? Same pa din ba?
yeah, it's gonna be the same for the national costume. It's still Patrick. Pero medyo nahirapan kami kasi yung napakita namin for national, parang binonggahan ni Patrick eh. Pero sabi nga nila, di ba, parang everyday dapat laging better version yung pinapakita para, di ba, so another day, another better version na naman yun. So I'm excited. This is a different one. This is a different
Pagbaba
national
mo lang ng bus,
costume.
dapat rumarap. Baka nang ginawa ni CJ yun. Ganun,
Yes,
pagbaba ng
actually,
bus every time.
yung mga ganon, tinuturo din talaga ni CJ.
Ilan sa mga team ang gilipad with you? And
Glam.
I don't know yet. Kasi we're planning pa. We're on the planning side pa.
are you allowed to bring your own?
That I don't know. Parang not sure if papayagan. Kasi di ba every year, iba-iba sila ng rules and regulations. So, let's see. Pero ngayon naman, nagte-training naman ako with my hair and makeup. So,
Speaking of training, si Mama G nandiyan kanina. So siya ba mang pasarela trainer mo?
yes na yes.
So may kakaibang hinahanda kayo kasi yung mga
May ibang
ganun-ganun.
niluluto. Oo. Kaya ang lagi ko sinasabi, it's a different version of Emma that you will see on the international stage. Matinding training. Sakit sa balakang, ha?
Oo. Pero sabi mo, kaya mo pa namang ihampas.
Kaya
diba?
pa naman yan.
How does it feel like competing na sabi mo sa Net25 interview mo, ang dami-dami mong bala?
Marami ba?
Di ba sabi mo, ang
Parang
sarap
di-
mag-compete na ang daming mong
Siguro,
bala? So, marami ka pa talagang balang hindi
Na hindi pa
pinapakita.
nilalabas.
Marami pa. Kasi siguro yung maraming bala na sinasabi ko, it comes from the people also na nakasurround sa akin. Kasi sila din naman yung source ko kung bakit ako nagkakaroon ng ganong strength, di ba? So, marami pa tayong balang ilalabas.
Excited kami. So,
Bazooka naman this time.
Bazooka! Ay!
Para mas
Another
matayan, another video.
Alright.
Ang bale, bazooka.
Alright,
Verify
Anna.
Okay na.
Alright, Emma, thank you. You can ask or acknowledge the persons behind your MGIPH journey.
Okay, I just want to thank all the people who supported me, naniwala sa akin. Thank you very much. It's really a grand comeback for me and I'm happy. I am really fulfilled with this one and we have another one to fulfill. It's the back-to-back victory for the Philippines. So I am hoping that you will all pray for me. And thank you to the Crown and Concept family, my new family, Mommy G, Vico, my stylist, a lot of names to mention, and also my family and friends. My boyfriend who's really supportive, and everyone. I don't wanna name names na I thank them all na sa aking social media and alam naman nila kung sino talaga yung mga tumulong. Of course, the media people, thank you so much. Dati kasama nyo lang ako dyan sa group na yan. But here we are right now trying our best to compete again and aim for another crown.
From grand
Thank
comeback
you.
to grand back to back.
Yes.
I love it!